dear people, I'm very serious about this. When you notice high usage of your CPU, I use Process Hacker, and I have to tell you, because I struggled, one of the processes I was struggling with, I found the way how I could do this, not from someone else, because Windows has got option like, I have to go to show you what I did. Set affinity. When I did that, I noticed that my CPU decreased the usage. When I used this option with one of the processes, I use the option Start Task Manager. In Task Manager, I went to Performance, open Resource Monitor, and I checked my CPU usage. This process was causing my CPU overload because I got 8-core CPU. What I did, my dear friends, I went to details. Each of these processes, from top to bottom, I used the option Set Affinity, and I deselected all CPU. So I only left one CPU. I think I did with all of them. Set Affinity. As you can see, I have to show you, because after when I performed this option, I decrease overload and behavior of my CPU. Only one of them is very overloaded. Because when I tried to use option priority, that option does not really work. Because you can assign how many resources will be used for your processes. I will show you again when I go to options. I should really open up Task Manager instead. Start Task Manager, because I use Process Hacker. I will show you again when I use Affinity for this process and I will use all CPU. You should see it will start using all of my resources again. I just will demonstrate for you. You see, you can control your resources of your CPU. Or this process was always high. This one on the bottom, I don't know which one is to do with Windows Update or what. When I change Set Affinity, I use the CPU 0, the same with this. And I did the same with all of them. Because you don't have to have this process to be assigned for your all threads. So I deselected most of them. Hopefully this will help you. Because I was tired of high usage of my CPU. Because I was trying to find a proper solution. Only this option helped me, but not really. I still have high usage. Check all of your processes. I will change below normal. We will see what will happen. Because this process is to do with Windows Update and network, so it doesn't have to be very high. So you have control of your resources. As you can see, this behaves, but this one here does not really behave as it's supposed to behave. What if I assign CPU 7? Yes, but it's still quite high. Set priority low. What if I check set priority to low? Doesn't really help. But try to find this option. Maybe this access denied. You can also check maybe Opera is causing this problem. So I would assign only 4 CPUs. It might be maybe antivirus. I will use only 4 threads. It can be useful. That's the only way I could fix high usage of this process. As you can see, I will check. It behaves. Oh no, it changes. Strange, but it's a lot better than what was before. I know this shouldn't really be very high, but I don't know how to get rid of this. I tried to do everything, but this is my way how I was able to fix it. It shouldn't be like this because one of my CPU is very overloaded and it could cause problems. Okay, now I have to stop recording.